Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, everybody. This is EO Queen TV. As you are watching me, God bless you, everybody. And you should subscribe to EO Queen TV. Please, I'm begging you, everybody, to subscribe. As you do so, God bless you. Please, where my water set? I beg, wait. Now, sorry, I just do small thing. Thank you very much. My topic today, I just come out today. My topic today, when I want to talk, my Nigeria, my fellow Nigeria, is just about Obaseki. Not that I hate him. I did not hate Obaseki. What I do want is that I like truth. I like somebody who stands by his words. I don't like somebody who deceives somebody to get what he wants. Obaseki is a big and a father of liar. My topic today is Obaseki is the father of liars. When you go to John 4, chapter 80, John 4:44, if I'm not mistaken. It's not John 4:44. If you go to the book of John 8:44, you can see with me that Obaseki, I describe that chapter with Obaseki character. Obaseki is a big liar. So Obaseki is the father of all lies. That is my topic today. My fellow Nigeria, my fellow Edo people. Because enough is enough. Too much of everything is bad. You cannot be deceiving people to please yourself. You cannot deceive the masses to please yourself. Enough is enough. When Obaseki want to enter through, when he was contesting election 2016, he promised heaven and earth to the masses. He promised heaven and earth to the Edo people. This is what I'm going to do. He said he's going to provide work for 200 million youths. He said he's going to build, he said he's going to invest in education. He said he's going to invest in agriculture. He said he's going to build a hospital for us. He said, many things he said though. He said he's going to secure Edo State with security. Just check everything. What have you done to us? Nothing. You want to get second trip? No way for you. You want to get Benugari? No way for you, my dear. No way for you for Benugari. No room for you again. No room for you again, Obaseki. Pack your thing and leave Edo State. Where you did for the first time. As for that, you didn't want the election. You want win for the first time. When man win give the Yamu mandate for you. You never win it before. So, talk less. That position is not for you. Give it to the rightful owner, Mr. Obaseki. You cannot deceive the youth and please yourself. You cannot deceive the youth and please yourself. You cannot deceive everybody and please yourself. Okay, you are looking for the second tenor so that you can bend Ugarie. Then you want to pack your load and go. Look at the way you are dancing and dancing like a dance car. Using money PDP is shared the money before. PDP is shared the money before, and you want to go and add again. Come on, Mr. Obaseki, let me ask you one question. You said you don't need Godfather. That Oshomole said he's your Godfather. You no Godfather is here. Be you just say boni my money, a phone, no Godfather is no Godfather is. No, make on the share mo. Share this video. Share it, please. Because enough is enough. We don't want shitting in Edo State again. If for that place or that state, they are shitting themselves, we will not take that nonsense in Edo State again. You said no room for fatalism. Isn't that what you said? That was your statement. That was your logo. But you are dancing to the tune of fatalism. The PDP you went to now, what is that? Is that not fatalism? The PDP that you want to go and buy ticket with billions of billions now. The person that stepped down for you is your Godfather already. The national chairman of PDP is your godfather because the ticket did not belong to you before. The state chairman now is your godfather. How many godfathers do you have now? When you were having only for somebody as a godfather, you were saying no room for godfatherism, no room for godfatherism. Now, count how many godfatherism you get now. National chairman for PDP is your godfatherism. State chairman for PDP is your godfatherism. People that step down for you, they are your godfatherism. You are going to serve them. Edo people, shine your eyes. Shine your eyes and know the right person. The right person is a pastor, is Zed Iyamu. No, sir, again, all the dollar doji. Is the right person. APC is the right person. Everybody, shine your face. Or what I'm saying, so, you people, mark it so, nothing but the truth. All this money is using now to buy PDP. Una think say na my money? Okay. Una think say na my money? Na everybody money, the Edo State money is what is wasting now. Make una know say after wasting this money, it's going to serve them. It's going to serve them for the money. PDP shared the money before. Talk less in don't go join them now. It's going to share now. Before PDP was sharing naira, now PDP is sharing dollar and pounds because of Obaseki. Look at the way he's dancing like the Kalasidi. He's dancing like this. When you are deceived. Among the things, which one do you do? You want to provide a 200 billion job for youth. Which one? It's not to provide, you do, when you get to the power, you say all the time to go inside. Those people selling mango, those people selling pure water, you that is selling carrying wheelbarrow, you say you will provide work for them. They should get inside. When they waited for you for 4 weeks, or 4 months, they did not do anything. They come out again. When they come out, you started arresting them, dump them into the prison. You don't have VIA prison. You go there arrest them, you go there put them for prison. You go there put them for prison. Is that what you told them? Agriculture, you do one. School, which school you build? Tell me the school where you build. Ide. Which school you build? You did not build any school. You did not build any school. You did not invest anything. Money when they give me security, you carry on. I be not be so. Obaseki. The money when you said you are the one that renovated the Benin Technical School. Which Benin Technical School you renovate? Benin Technical School was built by Canadian government. Benin Technical School was built by Canadian government. A Canadian government in Italy, although the Benin Technical School in 1976 were those states. And they are also the one that brought that money. The one masses is sticking. Masses don't come on. People should not be misled though. Masses, people should not be misled though. Matter too many people should not be misled. I'm just telling people. People should not be misled by anybody. Because people are the one that is why people tell you we are suffering. When they masses get women, we are suffering. Or we are going suffering. You people should not say your vote because it's $20 and pounds. 1,000. Don't say your vote, so you say your vote, you go only have yourself to play. But then the castle now you build that when they brought Canadian government brought billions of billions for you. That billions of billions for you. How many rules will you renovate? When you come, they carry the after doing that, you start snapping picture, just to cover up. Or you come, they use to show money. To divert people's attention, make them pronounce, they look you. You say, Shomole, Godfather, Shomole, Godfather. So that people go, you know, say, I go. When we see one thing, now they carry, they go. When they carry that thing, they go. Oh, Shomole, Godfather, Shomole. What is concern of Shomole for this one? Me, the list it is that they find you to bear. Say, you don't give Oshomole. Say, I gave Oshomole 30 billion. The money when they gave to you, when the Canadian gave to you, which money when you don't say you want build there Benin Technical, where Benin Technical you build it with your money. Which innovation you renovate? The money when they give you, when you say when Canadian bring on seven they tell innovator, you go really tell build another one. I wish you go build another one and you name and say Obaseki Technical School. I go they give you one, I go they clap for you like this. I go they jump people when they say, oh my son follow me back. Oh my son follow me back. Oh my son follow me back. I go they clap follow you like that. But I did not see anything. Me I not see anything. I not see anything because the money when they give you, you go to the innovate technical road You go to technical school. After innovating technical school, you will still build another technical school again for Edo State. I first said that they say people don't see where I do that. Mapa village, land they well. They no can never set them finish. Because you want develop. You'll see where develop. You no can never set them finish. You'll see where develop. But there's something like that. You want to deceive the masses. Look at the way you are dancing like a dancer. Propaganda. You are just dancing like a dancer to deceive people. And they say, oh, my soldier follow me, they follow you. Hallelujah, people. Oh, yes, member. They are just saying, oh, yes. Obaseki, you are a father of liar. You just want to get people to climb up. You deceive, you promise heaven and earth. Getting there, you do nothing, you do no fucking. Which road? Talk of road. Which road? May I measure some? May I not even go to the 18 local government? Or may I just measure only Benin City there, only Edo there? May I show you roads? Go to Selu Lagos Road. You not see water when they give you kiss small picking about 4 weeks ago, or 6 weeks ago. Go Orediawa Road. When the water kill one woman for there, I go show them for my screen. Which road you do? When they clap for follow you, all my soldier follow me back. Edo people, youth, wake up. This cry I'm crying is not for me alone. It's for everybody. If not for me alone, me not go cry, because I not go cry. I thank God for my life. I will not cry, but I'm crying for those who cannot even have 1 square meal in a day. Because during that coronavirus that day, he exposed everything. Obaseki is not doing anything in those states. So just pack your thing. That post was not for you before. You can win a governor. A godfather will move but that left for you because why? Not say not because it's your godfather is the one that put you there before. You know between you and why you not say that post you always Yamu did not buy it. He did not buy. When I move. So my brother, don't be so greedy and waste no money. Pack your load and leave that place. Leave it for Ize Ijamu. It is Ize Ijamu we want. It is Ize Ijamu we want in Edo State. Ize Ijamu is our choice. You know the cry of the poor. You know what it's meant to be a poor person. You know what it's meant to be. Ize Ijamu know what it's meant to. What is it to be a poor person? People are just looking one side. Somebody called me. He was telling me that Ize Ijamu. He was working with. He was with Igbinedion before. I said what? He was with Igbinedion before. Can you compare a driver and a conductor? He was not the governor. He was just working with Igbinedion as a chief of staff. You cannot compare a conductor with a driver. He was not in the driver's seat. He wasn't in the driver's seat. He has no say. This is his own chance now. So why him a chance say, make una give back to now. 18 local governments in Edo State, you wake up, not be tomorrow. You call the class, say, na so. You wake up right now and shine your face. Don't let anybody buy you with dollar. Don't let anybody buy, because when they buy you, they are buying your children's future. They are buying your children's future. The person that will know your words will not say that no, we are going with this. Make we help you go. You go and put where you are voting there. Where you are voting the Pastor Ize Ijamu. Omono Sangero don't let doji no. Omono Sangero don't move it forward no. I'm not the one talking. The pastor can't time it. The prophet is tired. The prophet is tired. The Jew too. The prophet in my eyes, Ijamu. One prophet says that somebody is coming to come and move the door forward. I say continue saying it. That person is a man of God. Why you people beating around the bush? Why you people say, oh my son, follow me to Obaseki? Obaseki is a liar. He deceives people. He know the korokoro to collect money. He knows it. Don't you see when the youth is dying in those states? Why am I going to go to Yahoo lawyer? Yesterday somebody called me. I should not let my people go to Upper Sagbomba. And to Beku Primary School that they are killing people there right now. I told them that they should send the video to me. If there is a confirmed security according to Obaseki that is what he promised that he's going to do, would they be killing people like that? As I've said before, they will not kill. Well, wake up. Ize Ijamu is our choice. Ize Ijamu is our choice. Ize Ijamu can because he knows the value of Obiogwe. Masses, wake up. Poor people, wake up. The suffering is too much for you people. Ize Ijamu is our choice. APC is the one involved, not PDP. PDP, PDP, I can't call a PDP one. He said, PDP. When they have logo, their logo is PDP share the money. We want to go and invite them again. No way for Edo State. PDP is not coming to Edo State. It's not coming there because if PDP go to Edo State, Edo people now go not come up for that place. Make una go Ogoloba. Make una go see wetin the road be. When the talk say they repair road, they repair road. Make they just no, I don't know why. Oh, some people, where shall I don't blame them. Mortality no, it's their mortality. May can't do the thing when you do remain. What do you do remain when they do? What do you do remain? What do you not say do remain when they do? Market women, let the interview now. But some they interview and they say, may can't do what you do remain. What do you do remain? What do you do remain when they do? 4 years don't come out now. 4 years don't come out. What do you not say want to do again? We don't say the balance 4 years when it if you enter for the other 4 years, now the best now you want pay. The money when the promise when the all the godfather and godfatherlism when you get for PDP, now you want balance that time. Because he want the post by all means. He want to be the governor for that 8 years by all means. So all this money to buy ticket, may I tell you now. To buy ticket, it's only woman. It's only woman. I know they buy ticket for election. May I tell you now. Because they say give woman a chance. Now only woman now you want to do election. You know go take money buy ticket. If na man, if they buy ticket, they go screen out where. They go screen out where. Now only woman, now they go talk to na woman. Even though na school staff, may bring her come out. If na man, university or you go correct they go screen out where we go buy the ticket, confirm. I think one understand me, so now they tell you now what I know. But this one now, this ticket now, he jumped from APC now. PDP. That PDP might tell how much they buy tickets. Make an offer, you make an offer. This is 100 billion not confirmed. Or this is 100 billion not confirmed for that ticket. I'm not saying not be me talking. I wish this is 100 billion not confirmed for that. What if it's 600 billion sell for tickets? Where everybody step down for all the godfather and godfather is step down for her. It's more than. Make one not say that money. Now you go balance. I tell you now. Now you go balance. So, Mr. Obaseki, please, I just beg you, respect yourself. If I were to be you, I would just respect myself. Oh, I come back. Then we are who then we are who not we know how you know we are. Oh, when I come here, you know where my feel call your mouth fierce so my who want bedo motor. We get all your kinekere no be agwa. Okay, because you want to Benuga we now. No room for you. Obaseki, pack your loads and go. Okay, can you answer for wow? You are no more go open. Yet to go to the scripture now. You people should open your Bible. John 8, verse 44. Go and read it. That is Obaseki for you. That is Obaseki for you in Edo State. They're not doing my Yahoo, nothing. Don't get in, they might only be there 15 minutes. They're not doing my Yahoo, zero. All pack a mule, all pack a mule. I didn't want to get China. I didn't want to get my or your bam with America. Every month, in my year, you go your way. Did not do anything. You do a show technical. 1 year, technical school. I don't say on your go. Canadian Yago, I are innovating. Not when I are innovating. Mother Yahweh. Mother Yahweh, yeah. I don't wake up. Believe people wake up. It's local government, wake up. Don't sell your vote because of one person. Give the vote to the right person. Ize Ijame is the right person. Give the vote to Ize Ijame. Omonosage no do dollar gbonjinu. Ize Ijamu is our choice. Give the vote to Ize Ijamu. APC is not share the money. PDP is share the money. And it's what we are doing now. A blind man can even see what is going on in Edo State, that they are sharing money right now. A blind man can see it. Even a blind man, he can see what is going on in Edo State. The way PDP is sharing the money right now. I listened to some news today. He said the vice governor, the governor again, Shaibu, is a fake certificate. I believe it because Oshobola cannot lie against them. Because Oshobola know the inner out of them. He know that he is the one that put them there. So he cannot lie. Anything he say about them is the truth. Nothing but the truth. He can't lie. Forging of documents, forging of certificates, he can never lie. Even that of Obaseki, he did not lie. Only that he go the cover, he go the carry beneath those money, he go the carry those money, he go the carry those money. Someone cannot lie. It was his. Let's call it space. But let's go to the reality. He was his own godfather. A godfather must know the inner out of his boy, and he was the one that put it there. So he did not lie against him. He did not lie against him. That's where a driver sitting there, he can do and not do. He can matriculate here, all way out of it, all the material, all moving bonjo, all muzena fire, all Korea Kobe. So that all the Philippine here, that was why. So Obaseki, pack your load and go. We don't need you. You are a dance car. You are a dance car. Your record is. I didn't hate you. I like somebody. I didn't hate you for your information. I didn't hate you. You are my best friend, but you are my friend. I didn't hate you. But I like wanting the truth. Okpene doke suffer. So magware relief. My own mabe ajebe webo. Ewebo ni ma lejo ne do ya lejo na gbo ya lejo. My own ne webo bi a leri we ma. Ọkọ ewene eyisi mama, ọkọ ewene enoti mama. We wanted to not buy imagine no wa ama. So know that I hate you. So Obaseki, pack your load and go. Don't deceive Edo again. Wani ye do ni wo my so get follow me gbegugbe. All my so why whenever do I go bo we koko. Why do I grab we koko? Why do I grab we koko? Santi mena wọ́n ṣe wale wa mu je de wọn ta wala wo wa gi ma ku ko gbe bi ezo nu so mo wala wo wa go ma pa o. Ize Ijamu was not a governor before. This is the time now that he want to be the governor. Wa ga fi bojo ijeke no ka gun yen ma Ize Ijamu we do state ni ero obi egedege no ka o no. No ka gi e ma ero o ewe nu seje e o ewe no mi ogweje e o ga ti ki ma go mi ogwe ni mufuwa na ewe do mi ebe ti ma gi be joy no programa ne gbebe okiku edo. That is what we want in Edo State. Ize Ijamu is our choice. Vote Ijamu as your governor. Vote Ijamu as our governor. Ize Ijamu is our choice. Who is your choice? Ize Ijamu is our choice. Who is your choice?
Ize Ijamu is our choice.
Who is your choice?
Ize Ijamu. Pastor Ize Ijamu.
It's your choice. Vote Ize Ijamu. Ize Ijamu is our choice. We don't need Obaseki. We don't need Obaseki again. It's a slip of tongue, anyway. We don't need Obaseki again.
Obaseki is a loser.
Obaseki is a loser. We don't need him again. Everything fake documents. Even I have figure here. A plan where. I have matriculate here. It's so bad of you now. You okay, then you get you are a father of lies. Yeah, that is what I declare you to be. That is what I declare you to be. Don't get in don't send him. I only wasted time. But when 15 minutes, we are meant to talk. Secretary level. Don't get don't send him. Can't even know him, man. So, voila, we are done zomo. My 15 minutes don't complete. Okay. Well, where so? Uwaga ma wa gbon o. Uwaga to waga pe wa gbon iwe donu zomo. E na gbon ga ma wa gbe o. Ari du wa ji momo fa o. Ari do mo ji mu wa fa o. E na ro ri eri fo obu wa iwe donu zomo o. Please, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow Nigerians, my fellow Edo people, please share this video. Iyo Queen TV, share it, subscribe and share. It's a good news for everybody. It's a good news. Subscribe and share. Wala wa show eh. You know say kene pastor, no say kene Obaseki. Wa we say. I greet everybody. I thank you. Till the next video. Market women, I didn't forget you people. I'm still coming to that because we're going to finish a knockout with you know for because again, upper market again. The next video we will talk about that. Bye bye.